like money. Sudden up to sudden down, Monday through Sunday. The iron horses never stop pumping. The price of diesel never stops jumping, like the saying will. Yeah, the cost of living never comes down. That's just the way it is living in an oil field town. You work your fingers to the bone, trying to make ends meet. Covered in dirt and grease, from your head to your feet. Stumble through the front door as the western sun sinks down. Yeah, but that's just the way it is living in an oil field town. This town drive you crazy. Word gets around way too easy. It ain't one thing, it's another. You get advice from everybody and their mother. That's just the way it is living in an oil field town. You work your fingers to the bone, trying to make ends meet. Covered in dirt and grease, from your head to your feet. Stumble through the front door as the western sun sinks down. Yeah, but that's just the way it is living in an oil field town. This town has its good side. There's always a drink to be found on a Saturday night. Sunday morning, you kneel right down. Everybody pitches in when the plate comes around. Lord have mercy on a man living in an oil field town. You work your fingers to the bone, trying to make ends meet. Covered in dirt and grease, from your head to your feet. Stumble through the front door as the western sun sinks down. Yeah, but that's just the way it is living in an oil field town. I said that's just the way it is living in an oil field town. Yeah. We shut it down again. They're locking it up. Stumble through the gravel till we get to my truck. You're laughing in the darkness as I fumble for the keys. Open up the door and climb up in the seat. And I don't know why we can't get it right. It's like trouble's gonna find us no matter what we try. And I don't give a damn anymore if the whole town knows. I just wanna hold on to you and let go. There ain't no kind of pain few drinks can't erase. Talking about forever I'm trying like hell to stay between the lines, and I don't know why we can't get